Alright, so just re-recording this because the footage was lost. That's Yale 210 series. It's a 5-pin. Because I'm re-recording this, I've already gutted it. I know there's 4 spools and 1 standard in here. All the key pins are standard, unlike the Yale 1-star Euro cylinder where it's got serrated key pins. But we're going to go top of the keyway. It's actually got quite a nice keyway on this as well, really quite tight to get your picks into. And we'll just get started. I'll try and keep everything in frame so you can see the feedback that I get when I get it. There we go, that was pin 2, got a false set on. That one. Let's go for the scimitar to try and get up and around the warding a little bit easier. Alright, so pin 5. Come on. No. 4. No. Pin 3. I'll click on 3. All the way back. Pin 5. Count rotation there. There we go. Switch up to the teardrops, get a bit more depth. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Nothing on 4. There I'll go something on 5. This seems to have been so much easier to pick the first time round. There we go, pin 1. And that's what we were waiting for. So, I'll go back in time and I'll show you the gutting video now. Right, so to get this gutted, we'll start off, I'll put the sparrow's tin there. We'll just get that screw on the inside out. That. There we are. Little pinning tray. Right, so put that screw there. Let's get the back off of it. I'm so thankful that it's this little screw back cap instead of instead of all the bloody circlips, because they are just a pain in the backside. And yeah, pins aren't going to fall out there. Nice. Let's pop that. Right, so let's go pin 1. Missed them out altogether. That is standard with a little chamfer, standard with a chamfer, really long keeping there, standard with a chamfer, standard with a chamfer, and standard with a chamfer. So nothing particularly advanced there. They're all fairly standard. You can see there, it's just a standard pin with just a chamfered end. Put that back there. I'll just align those because I like neat and tidy. Right, so let's see what we've got going on here. That spin. So pin 1 is this really, really long spool. Pin 2 is just a standard pin. There's hardly any spring tension at all on pin 3. Yeah. There's really short springs. And combine that with a really, really short spool as well. Now, that barely even pushes out of there. That could probably have done with a longer spring in there. And another spool. And another spool. And then we've just got springs. Again, these springs are quite short, so I'm not sure really why they're so short, because a bit more spring tension would have probably helped a lot there. But we've got all standard key pins and 4 out of 5 spools, 1 standard on the driver pins. And now I'm going to fight with putting this back together. Chin chin. Happy picking.